Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm here in this mall from SM Seaside City Cebu here because I'm started applying my job here with companies here. So we're here from this one, it is analyzed here in TP Sigiman and Coaches Tournament 2026. So today is round number 3 with single round robin with long games with 1 hour 30 minutes plus 30 seconds increment. So it is today's round number 3 and also have a between by number 2 by Grandmaster China Zhu Junior by Faces by versus by Black Pieces by Grandmaster with Young King in his Turkey Yankees Erdogus. So it is today's round number 3 here and also have a analyze of the standings of TV Sigiman and Coaches Tournament 2026. So let's start here. So white plays Zhu is knight f3, d5 by Erdogan here, and also d3, knight c6 by Erdogan, and also with b3. So without b3 here by next up this one with bishop b2 with Zhu here, and also bishop g4 by this one by Erdogan. So it means with bishop with threatening the knights and with queens without queens with stab against this one to targets against with light square here, and also bishop b2 by Zhu here, and also knight b7 by Erdogan here. So this is a more obvious one with develops by knights here, and Zhu is bishop e2. So what's the plans, or maybe by next castling king side, and also c6 by Erdogan. So what's the plans, or maybe here by this one with e6. So this is a e6 by this one with semi-slav here, and also d3. Okay, d3 by this one with Schusterner here, but not yet ready by this one by castling here. So not yet ready by castling, and also with pawn to e6 by this one by Erdogan here. So why this one by e6? Because this is a semi-slab here, so this is a more connected by 3 connected pass pawn, so it is called by semi-slab here, and also with h3 by this one by Zhu, threatening the disturbance the bishop. So with the threatening the bishop here, and Zhu with, so it means, so if you captured or backwards, so it means backwards with Erdogan's bishop h5 here, and also with knight bd2 by this one by Zhu, and also h6 by this one. More of this one will continues here, and also with c4 with an attacks this one with pawns here, and also bishop d6 by this one by Erdogan. So maybe by next up this one with next castling. So next castling inside by this one by Young Kid by Erdogan. Knight d4. So this is a novelty by new move with Zhu here. So without old main lines here is also pawn to d4. So pawn d4 is a old main lines. So without new move here is knight d4 novelty. So novelty by this one by this with Zhu here, and also bishop backwards g6 by this one by Erdogan here, and also g4. So because this is a g4 by this one by Schusterner, so this is a given bad move, so does not like this one by computers. So the best move this one is eating the capture here, c takes d5, and also c takes d5, and also castling here. So castling inside, and also with e5. Okay, e5 with threatening the knights here, with counters attacks the knights, and also with knight to b5. Okay, knight b5 here. So this is a very strong move, and also bishop e7. So with bishop e7, why bishop e7? So it means this is a knight threatening the bishop here. So according this one by etc etc, so this is a good slight defenders for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is g4 by Zhu here, so that's not like a computer with Zhu. Castling inside by Erdogan, rook g1. Oh, rook g1 here with number 2 by Zhu. So it means, so no need decided by castling. For me, for example, so this is a symbolizes castling. So castling inside here by this one, by number 2 by this one by Zhu Junior here. So this is a more of this one with castling. So it means without idea which Zhu is rook g1, defense by this one with pawns. And Young Kid is also e5 good precise here. So this is a look at evaluation bar. So this is a many of this one with very highest by this one with blacks here. With threatening the knights here. And also knight f5. Okay. This is a jumping in by this one by number 2 by Zhu. with an idea with threatening the bishop. So this is a counters attacks the targets. And bishop captured by Erdogmus, takes by Zhu, and also queen e7. Okay, queen e7 here. So this is a more of this one. Or maybe by this one, by next of this one with rook e8. So rook e8, or maybe here by this one with rook a e8. So this is a next of this one with positional move. And a3. Okay, a3 is a good precise here by number 2 by Zhu here. And also a5 by Erdogmus. Or maybe here by next by this one with b5. So this is a more on this one with examples, or maybe here by push here with a4. So this is a sacrifice. And also queen c2 by Zhu. Rook fe8, good move against with young kid by Erdogmus here. And also bishop f3. So look at the evaluation bar. So this is a below by white pieces. So this is a bad move. So does not like of this computer. So the best is king f1 here. So decided by king f1. So according this one, so this is a good for whites here because this is a more positional move. So without bishop f3, so look at the evaluation bar. So this is a does not like of movement by this one we show here. And Erdogmus knight to c5. Okay, knight c5. So this is a jumping in against with Erdogmus. E4. Okay, E4. So without E4, with attacks this one with pawns, captured by Erdogmus, captured bad move. So it means so another bad move against with number 2 by Zhu. So does not like. So it means without better, once computer's knight captured. So knight takes E4 here. If you knight captured here, and also with captured. So this is a good more develops here. So this is a good slightly better against with whites here. So this is a more of this one with continuous. So solutions against with develops. So back there, this one is capture this pawn by number 2 by Zhu, and also rook a d8. Okay, rook a d8. So it means rook a d8. So this is a more of this one with develops here, or maybe here by this one with rook d files here. So this is a rook d files here. So this is a more of this one with continuous solutions here, and also bishop backwards e2. Okay, with more develops by this one with number 2 by Zhu. Defense by this one with develops by pawns here. King h7. This is a properly active by this one by young kid by Erdogmus here. And also rook g3, another third bad move by number 2 by Zhu. So does not like of computer engine. So the best is king f1 again. What happened? So this is a 2 times by this one by miss by number 2 by Zhu. King f1 is the best move. So this is a good score. White advantage here. So it means so rook g3 bad move. So because this is a without more of this one with rook g3. Without idea why rook g3, because this is a more a very strong move against this one, or maybe continuous here. And Erdogmus is g6 here by attacks the pawns, and rook f3. So it means rook f3. So this is a good precise here because this is a movement here. Without explain, for example here, um, in idea here. So why don't we move here? Why don't we move here is bishop to g4. Okay, bishop g4. So it means example, bishop g4 and h5 here attacks the bishop. So it means without attacks the bishop. So this is a with temples attacks. So this is a attacks the bishop here. So this is a mouse by queen king. So it means not proper here. So h5 with threatening the bishop here, and also with capture there with here with check. So f takes g6 check, and also capture this pawn, and also bishop e2. Okay, bishop e2. So it means so this is a good score examples. So it means so the better is this one is bishop g4. So it means bishop g4 is a best move. So it means so rook f8. So this is a bad move by Zhu. So that's not like this one with computer engine here by this movement by Zhu here. And excellent by young kid is knight to d7. Okay. So it means knight d7 here. So this is a continuation here by this one by solutions, because this is a more of this one with positional. Knight f1. What the plans here, or maybe here by transferring here. So it means knight h2, or maybe here knight g3. So it means knight to g4. Okay, knight g4. So this is a maneuver here. So this is a next up this one with maneuvers move here. And also knight b5, knight h5, sorry. So it means knight h5. I cannot see it, my read my notes here. So knight h5. So what the plans, or maybe here by next by this one with knight f4. So knight f4. So this is a very strong move against with our dog moves here. And Zhu is knight e3, good move. So with a good move here, so with a develops by this one with pawns here, and also knight f4, good move with her dog moves. So without attacks the bishop, so without threatening the bishop here, and also with bishop backwards f1, so without threatening the, or maybe develops here. So without develops here, so does not like a backwards bishop f1 by Zhu. So this is a 4 times bad move. So the best is king f1 again. What happened? King f1. So with a king f1 again, so this is a 3 times here by Zhu. So Zhu generally missing, the better move is king f1 here. So it means bishop f1 backwards bad move. Why Zhu is backwards? Because this is a idea with Zhu bishop f1. And her dog moves is knight to f6 here. And also c5 strong pushes here. Or maybe by next up this one with rook d1. Because this is a movement by this one by Zhu, threatening a bishop here. So without continuous here, so this is a more of this one with transferring by exchange move. Bishop captured. And also knight c4. Okay, knight c4. So this is a good precise. Or without idea with threatening the pawns. So this is a threat. So threatening the pawns here. And decided by bishop d4. Okay, bishop d4 here. More challenge by diagonals with dark square with bishop to bishop by Erdomus. Decided castling queenside again. So it means without decided castling queenside by number 2 by Zhu. Without explaining here, for example, in idea, sir, why don't we knight capture 3 pawns? It is okay. So with a knight captured, with threatening the, with more of this one with pawns here. So this is a more of this one with position out here. So it means, and also with bishop captured. Bishop captured takes b2, queen captured, and also with more controls, this one is rook. I mean, this is a continuous. So queen takes b2. So this is a good examples. So that decided castling. So castling queen side here. Another second example. So it means in accept. Why don't we capture if you f takes g6 check with a check here, and also f takes g6 and symbolize castling. So castling king side here. I mean queen side. So castling queen side. So this is a second more examples here. So second more examples. With that idea, castling queen side. So I'm sorry, I got forgot by this one more explained. For example, so this is a castling by this one. Without first or second examples here. So because I realize here by reflections here, so learn about this one with chess. So this is a examples. I'm sorry, I got forgot my brains. So let's continue castling. Queen side by Zhu, and bishop captured with her dog move. King takes captured, and it decided without accepted by her dog move. Rook takes. Queen takes. Captured. Knight to 65. Okay, knight 65. Defense by this one with knights. And rook g3. Okay, rook g3. So this is a good precise. Queen f6 by Erdogan. Okay, queen f6 by Erdogan here. And also king a2. In a back here, so at the back. So it means queen f6. Or maybe without idea with openings here. So without more of this one with e4 by openings here by check. So with a check here because this is a check. And with Zhu is king a2. B5 attacks the knights here. So it without B5 attacks the knights. So this is a more continuous because so it means B5 by our dog moves and this one by threatening the knights here. We threatens the knights. And also the finishing move against that with number 2 is knight E3. So it means bad move. So with that bad move, with that idea with round number 3, so it means surrender by number 2 again by Grandmaster Jujiner. So it means with that idea, with that pass is knight capture. Okay, knight capture is a better move here. So knight capture here. So it means so another here. So why Jujiner resigns here? Because if you knight e3, so it means if you knight captured, so it means knight e3. Okay, knight e3. So knight e3 here. So knight e3 here. So it means so this is a resigns. So resigns by this one by Grandmaster Jujiner. So for example, why Jujiner resigns? If you knight captured here, if you knight takes e3, with threatening the queens here, and also captured with knights. With capture the knights without threatening the knights here. So this is a threats the knights here. So with threats, threatening the knights. And also with more controls, this one is rook d8 here. Okay, rook d8. Rook d8 threatening the queens here. So threats the queens. Okay. So the score with Grandmaster Jujiner 84.8. So this is a good satisfactory. And without highest by Grandmaster Erdogmos 95.3. Okay, so the winner by Young Kid Grandmaster 30 Yagis Erdogmos. Okay, so the next round number 4. With a chance by this one by wins with Grandmaster Jujiner versus Andy Woodward here. So I will analyze with next round. Okay, so I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, later here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lodi 17, aka Icon 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. So after that, so later, so let's see this one with final results here. So let's see the final results after with round number 3.